You know that frustration you feel when you're stuck wrestling with the technical aspects of audio content creation? Or maybe you've got this amazing podcast idea or the seed of a catchy song in mind, but lack the resources or know how to bring it to life. Well, prepare to have your mind blown. Google has come up with a game-changing solution that'll make your audio creative journey way easier. Let's welcome Sandstorm, the AI that's all set to revolutionize your audio content creation experience. Brought to you by the experts in all things AI. Who is ML? We've all had that moment, right? A brilliant concept for a podcast or an earworm of a tune, but the mountain of technicalities and software issues makes it seem virtually impossible to bring to life. That's where Sandstorm, Google's latest leap in AI technology, steps in. It's not just a fancy software update. This is a real-life superhero, ready to transform your audio content creation journey. But wait a minute, what makes Sandstorm so special? To grasp its genius, let's travel back in time to its predecessor, Google's Audio LM. Audio LM was a beast in its own right, a groundbreaking AI model that processed audio inputs sequentially. It was effective, yes, but it left room for improvement. Sandstorm picked up on that cue and took the game to the next level. Sandstorm uses a unique approach called non-autoregressive audio generation. Now, don't be overwhelmed by the jargon. All it means is, unlike its predecessor, Sandstorm decodes all audio tokens simultaneously rather than one after the other. That's like reading a whole paragraph in one glance rather than reading word by word. As you can imagine, it's incredibly fast and efficient. To put it into perspective, Sandstorm is like a speed demon in the realm of audio technology, operating a staggering 100 times faster than Audio LM. Imagine conjuring up 30 seconds of high-quality audio in just half a second. That's what Sandstorm can do for you. Speed is impressive, but what about quality? Sandstorm's got that covered too. Each generated token gets a confidence score with its unique confidence-based decoding scheme. This score guides the process, ensuring precision and maintaining top-tier quality in every step. It's like having an expert over your shoulder, making sure everything is just right. If you're finding this helpful and are as excited as we are about Sandstorm, hit the like button. Better yet, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Let's spread the knowledge. Now let's dive a bit deeper into Sandstorm's magic. Its unique custom architecture and multi-level decoder work in sync, focusing on the aspects that most significantly impact audio quality. Think of it as a skilled team diligently working behind the scenes to make sure the final audio output is nothing less than perfect. But here's where Sandstorm really earns its stripes. It doesn't just produce monologues, but generates naturally flowing dialogues as well. Give it a transcript and Sandstorm can whip up a conversation so real that it feels like you're listening to a live interview or podcast.
Something really funny happened to me this morning.
Oh wow, what?
Musicians, keep your ears perked up. Sandstorm doesn't stop at dialogues, it can generate soothing melodies as well. With just a simple prompt, Sandstorm can create beautiful music, paving the way for unprecedented creative freedom. So let's sum this up. Sandstorm is not just another AI, it's a trailblazing invention that will change the landscape of audio content creation, making it simpler and more intuitive. It's set to redefine how we interact with sound-making content creation easier. Now we'd love to hear your thoughts. Are you excited about Sandstorm? Do you think it will help take your audio projects to new heights? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Elevate your tech game. Peace!